Hey there, welcome to the next video. So in this video, all I'd really like to do is spend a couple seconds introducing myself, as well as introducing Blue. This is our course TA. You'll see her pop up a couple times in the course. Hopefully you don't have a problem with cats. Anyways, so my background really is that I've been teaching people to program in person for the last 5 or so years. I've been teaching web development boot camps in the San Francisco Bay Area, pretty much nonstop. So if you're not familiar with boot camps, web development boot camps that is, the way that they typically work is that they're 3 to 6 month long programs where students basically commit their lives for that duration to learning to code and nothing else. It's a very, very intense program. We take students who have 0 programming experience all the way up to the point where they get web developer jobs. So really rewarding work. I fell in love with teaching 5 or so years ago, and recently I decided to try my hand at taking my in-classroom approach and trying to bring it online. So this is my second course, and this course, as you know, is on MySQL. It's kind of the next logical step to teach online. So I used to teach this in person as well. I'm now trying to take my curriculum and bring it to the classroom online. All right, so that's enough about myself. If you do have any questions, if you're curious or you're actually interested in in-person boot camps, you have questions, absolutely reach out to me, send me a message or post a question on the discussion boards. All right, see you in the next video.